I'll teach you how to make short videos with pictures using Capcut. Open the app and start a new project. Then select the photos that you like to use for your video. Here I'm using Photolab AI generated photos of ourselves. The default for photos is 3 seconds and that's too long, so I have to shorten them a little bit. Something like 1.2 to 1.5 seconds. Next thing to do is to animate the photos. There are many options here, but if you choose the Pro, then you have to pay for that. To get it free, choose the one without the Pro. Let's animate another picture. And I'm using combo. For this one, it's gonna be distort right. And then we move on and repeat the process. This will be different. Instead of animation, we're gonna use style. Again, I'm not gonna choose the Pro option because I have to pay for that. I'll use the free. We're gonna be using style again, and I'll select 3D zoom. 3D zoom has a nice effect, as you see here. We'll animate this one using the in and out animation. Zoom out for the in, and for the out, it's gonna be roll. It's also very important to adjust the photos to fit the frame. Here I'm rearranging the photos. You can place them in the order that you like. I'm animating this photo using combo feature. And of course, I'm going to be using the free version. I'll be using 3D zoom here from the style selection. The project is finished and it's time to export. Now it's ready to share. The video is 20 seconds long and I'm satisfied with the result. It's ready for short video on YouTube. Let's go to YouTube. It doesn't really matter if you click the video or the short. If it's a short video less than 1 minute, it's automatically gonna be uploaded as a short video. Here you can add music. And now we're gonna have to change the thumbnail. And if you miss this part, you can never change it again. Choose the image that you like as your thumbnail. Put in the title. Now upload the short video.